Hello, it's Player here. I'm doing some PvP metagame analyzing and talking about my current team and what teams you will face in the ranked PvP. And as you can see, I'm 1907 points in the ladder rating and my opponent is 1811. I'm using Blades, Inferno, Bombshell and Vortex. This is not the best team by far. Many people are using two Infernos and two Blades. That seems to be the team people are currently playing in the top ranks. Not many combiners seen on the PvP. Sometimes you see teams with the Bruticus or Superion. I don't feel that Bruticus teams are really good. Superion teams could be good, but most people these days don't use combiners. Instead, they use four character teams with really great characters. And the goal with my team is to do enough damage in 2 rounds that you can kill maybe half of the other player team in round 2, and you have to be able to take the first strike on round 2. That's why I'm using 3 first strike bots. So I'm trying to stay alive on first round with Jammer 2 and finish the game off in round 2 with sure first strike if it's possible. So here is how the game goes. And yeah, opponent has Grapnel, 2 Infernos and Scorch. Pretty basic team, Scorch for the Evade and 3 other characters for big damage input with Napal and Multistrike. That's pretty basic. So I got pretty bad roll. I can't actually use my my Napalm. I have to try jam and target one by one. And also bad luck with the first strike. I wasn't able to get the first strike. That's not a big deal. If you don't have a bad luck, you should not lose any character on the first round. Of course, sometimes you just have bad luck with jammer and you end to lose one bot even if you jam the opponent. But yeah, typical first strike turn. Didn't lose any character and no problem here. So let's see what happens when my team strikes. Yeah, and yeah, none character uh, were were to be died in the first round. But yeah, now I'm trying to get the first strike on my second round and finish the game off. And I did manage to get the Blades 46 first strike. That's awesome. And I probably should just jam here, but instead of that I'm trying to make better roll with the respin. But the Vortex doesn't hit on the better rolls. And lucky for me, he didn't use Grapnel for first strike and I'm able to start the round 2. And now I should kill 2 bots from the other player team. Scorch is down and probably Inferno also, yeah, nice. And lucky shot on the Scrapnel. Bombshell and Vortex both hitting the Scrapnel and kill him. So the game is basically over at this point. There's nothing he can do. And yeah, now my team will just get first strike and finish the game off, and that's GG for this match. I'm thinking on changing Vortex and Bombshell to maybe second Blades, and I have also thought of playing 2 Inferno 2 Blades team, but I really want to save my coins and cores for some other epic bots that will be coming in next weeks. I'm sure there will be some nice like epic first strike bots or something like that. And that's why I haven't upgraded my second Inferno to max level. Also the current event is going on and there's G1 Megatron with I think 23 multi-strike or something like that. But yeah, this was episode 1 and I'll be making more episodes, so stay tuned. Bye.